Hi, I just wanted to do a quick video about something just to help people out that might not know, because I know the first time it happened to me I wasn't sure what was going on. There was one time I was mowing the lawn and it started to rain, so I was really booking it because I only had like a couple of rows left to do, that I'll just get this done, right? And of course the lawnmower stops. It's like, well, why? Well, it's because of the GFCI switch, because the ground fault circuit interrupter switch doesn't want you to get electrocuted, so it'll cut the power if it senses moisture. So anyway, just for people that have never seen that before, I'll show you what to do and where it is. So I'm gonna go in my basement. Hopefully you don't see my basement because it's a disaster. So the GFCI switch looks like this, probably located somewhere in your basement close to the fuse panel. And so what happens, like it just happened to me the other day, but at least this time I knew what to look for. My hand's too shaky. But anyway, that was lit up red. So you just press the button to reset it. There's also a test button to test it out. But yeah, I mean, it's a safety feature. That's what stops you from being electrocuted, so it's a good thing to have. But sometimes it goes off when you don't want it or need it to, and then it's a nuisance, but at least you just switch that. Now, another thing to look for if one of your outlets doesn't work, like your outdoor outlet or any other outlet, is to check the fuse panel, because sometimes if there's a power failure or a power surge, then it could switch something. So yeah, so that it has all these different switches, and so like if it was blown, it would be that way, and you just turn it back. You just put it back on. So yeah, and they're always labeled, hopefully, for all the different parts of your house. So yeah, so check that.